No yelling, Hannah. No yelling.
It's a sticker.
And also, what? Your splash. What's that, Hannah? What? Crow crow? A crow crow? Oh, a crow crow. Oh, there's some more flower there. Crow, crow, crow. Pwede man, maganda man mag-picture dito. Igil. Mana gayud sa imo. Sa ama. Oh, ay gwapa igding ano oh. Oh, baby, may pink. You can stand up there and take some. Kaso maraming mga nasa likod. Oh, go, Hannah. I think that's a door. Oh, go, Hannah. Go over there. Go over there. No. Go stand in the door. Oh, dali habang wala pang masyadong ano. Okay. Hannah, you can nag-iba pa sila. Oh, Lola, di ka mo Lola. Oh. Lola. Gayon. Oh, si Lola naman. Let's see. Ay, ganda. Sana yung, oh, dito daddy, oh, wala nang ano, outro pa, outro.
Ano pa?
Kamayo ng ano, igdi. Oh, digdi ko tang magayon daddy, oh. Sige pa.
Andyan lang.
Duman lang kamo.
Okay, 1, 2, smile.
Yay! Oh, ikaw man daa. Ikaw man. Abo mo na. Okay, let's go.
Yay, ready, Mom? Can I get cotton candy?
Yes. Wait a minute.
Yay, we can get cotton
Oh, baby pink. Take some picture here. It's pink.
No, it's all pink.
Oh, that's pink.
No, that's dark.
Dark pink. Ah, that's dark pink. Okay.
Only like
Flower.
like pink. I like
There
pink.
is no in the field. No tulips in the field. Oh, seagulls. That's seagulls. That's seagulls. Magagaling mo niya mata mga nakatiriklo pa ang iba. Digdi ma, di ka mapapicture mama igdi oh. Picture na ka mo digdi oh. Oh, daddy.
Ay.
Yung may pataas dapat. Ay, bako. Yan, yung Lola. Oh, ito ko taong may naglalayog. May background ko ta si Lolang naglalayog.
Lots of lucky seagulls.
Okay.
Look at them.
Oh, yes, you can go there. Oh, dali na. Gusto dahil itong maghapag ng sigal, oh. Oh. Oh, the seagulls ate over there, oh.
That seagull right over there.
Mga seagulls yan, ma. Picturean mo, seagulls. Seagulls. Sige nga pagkapag manggatong sarong aki. Hi! Ate, oh, it's on the back.
You following me?